Hello guys, and in today's video I am going to show you that how you can download and install resource packs in Minecraft, so let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to install a resource pack. To get a resource pack, simply open your browser. Now head over to a website called resourcepack.net. When you redirect to this site, you will see a lot of resource packs. Just choose the one you like. I am gonna choose this one. When you choose your resource pack, it will redirect to its download page. To download the resource pack, scroll down until you found the download links. When you see these links, simply click the one according to your Minecraft version. I am gonna choose for 1.16. As you guys can see that your resource pack is downloading successfully. Just wait until your download is finished. When your download is finished, launch your Minecraft. After that, click on play. When your Minecraft is open, simply click on options. Now go to resource packs tab. Click on open new folder. As you guys can see that this folder is empty. To get your resource pack over here, simply go to downloads tab, and as you guys can see that this is your resource pack. What you need to do now is just simply cut the folder and paste it in the resource packs folder. So to do that, select the resource pack and press Ctrl X, or just right click the folder and click cut. Now go back to the resource pack folder and press Ctrl V to paste the resource pack. Now go back to your Minecraft and enable the resource pack. And as you guys can see that this resource pack is working. Let's see the graphics in the game. And as you guys can see that this resource pack works. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video.